Calhoun funnels it back forward. Here's Williams now out wide. Williams rolls it through inside, touch toward goal, rolling wide.
Really test Thompson, the inexperienced goalkeeper for the Riveters.
They play the short option in. Here's Diamond. Lifts this one through. It's Calhoun in front. Calhoun fires it wide.
Be successful and continue to push into the playoffs, but you have to play the game. You cannot allow the game to dictate your decision.
Up ahead now, here's Rapp. Weaving through defenders. Still Rapp carrying on. Rapp on it, no foul given. Finally cleared away by Pittsburgh. Not decisive enough. Diamond pushed over the bar by Thompson. Now the pressure is on from Pittsburgh. Wells trying to cut inside. Wells cross, deflecting around in front. Cleared away.
Or Miller just to occupy that front line.
Devana, edge of the area, finds Rapp. Still ricocheting around, cleared away. A short clearance though. Served back ahead. Here's Devana. Lifts it high and out. That's guided back to Taylor Kane. Space to move here for Camber Hayes. Options ahead. Hayes. Diamond now works it back ahead. Tavana. There's Tavana on the right. Tavana stopped again by Thompson. This off out wide. Hayes quickly ahead. It's Tavana again. Tavana looking inside. Back to Tavana. Blocked on its way. Here's Miller. That blocked as well. Pittsburgh doing an excellent move. Off the ball initially. Williams lifts one. Pushed over the bar again. Hayes. Rapp now gives it up. It's Diamond. Saved again by Thompson. Hayes drives this in, headed away. Second ball served back forward. Boone lays it off in front. It's Wimes! Flag stays down. Aurora in front. Sage Wimes, for the fourth time this year, finds goal. 1-0 Aurora.
Watch out here.
Options for Tavana. Has a hit from distance. Goes sailing high. 8 shots, though, because of the way Pittsburgh has really defended in this first half. But now here's Summer Diamond on her right. Diamond, Tavana, stopped again by Thompson. Robiano can't corral that one in. Neither can Corney. Still loose. Wimes will pull that ball in. Here's Miller. Miller shuffling out to her left. Off inside, skipping to Wimes. Aurora continuing to find. Here's Wynn. Tavana. Tavana rifles it toward goal. The rebound coughed up. Reflex saved by Thompson. Guided back out wide. Here's Diamond. Diamond steps past the defender. Now Diamond! Misses high and wide. What?
Last game here in Highmarks took 90+7 to find the back of the net.
On the move though is Aurora. They spring free. Trying to play Rapp into space. Here's Rapp. Muscled down. This will draw a whistle. Hayes, Tavana! Oh, that's brilliant. Advantage doubled. It's Natalie Tavana. She's been their talisman this season. Now 10 goal contributions on the year.
Starts with the willingness from Rapp to come across. Proviano gets
back underway as Wynn guides this across the area. Here's Rapp. Back toward goal, sailing wide. Q drives it toward goal. Kane tries to pop it up. A collision in front. Caulfield lifts this one toward goal. Punched away by Kane. Have surpassed the 5 allotted for stoppage time. Continuing to play on. What a ball through. Beneke. Outstanding recovery at the last moment defensively.